So today I'm going to be doing the foam. I've actually run out of foam. 10 kilograms of foam that I bought last time, 5 kg the previous time, so I've gone through 15 kilograms of closed cell foam. I still haven't done the 2 side pods because I did all the rest. I filled it all in, but since I put foam on my previous videos, nothing more to see really than sort of mixing it and filling it. So now the foam is in between the stringers. Like I said, it's risen up, so I'm going to cut it off flat with a saw. On top of that, I'm going to put a layer of plywood, a thin layer of plywood, about 6mm. That's going to be sealed, as you've seen probably in the last video. Then I'm going to fiberglass it and make it one sealed flotation area, so to speak, where so the stringers are going to be enclosed in their own foam as they were before when I first got it. There's a few more stringers in it actually than what I had before, but it's now better and stronger, and hopefully I'm going to try and seal it so it never has to be done again. And on top of that then goes the main floor. But yeah, I'm sure what I'm doing. So now this is actually stuck on top, so once it's all flat I'll be able to put some wood both sides and seal this completely. As you can see there, fill those in with foam completely. I mean, this is interesting because this was actually up to the top, and it's since sunk. It's good. So all this foam here, basically it's gone all the way around there, all the way through there, all the way in here, right around there. So basically all of that is flotation. I don't need to do any more. I'm just going to seal it all up now. doesn't let it sag, which is fantastic. This is purely to stick this down. So once this is stuck down, I'm gonna put putty all the way along here, and put a sheet of fiberglass over at the top, seal the edges as well. But again, I've got to do these in stages. I want this to be a completely sealed, separate part of the hull. I thought I'd change these. There were those big pieces of wood, but then I decided what I'm going to do. I'm just going to stick these down and fill round here, and then just paint the lot as opposed to cover it all with fiberglass. Yeah, good. If you remember, I never sealed these. I've only just made them, so I'm going to have to see them. Good. Okay, so we've managed to do the front, the lids, for want of a better expression. They need now sealed. I might put one more coat over that and a bit of bit of top coat. Or on there, I put an extra stringer on there which I need to do a little bit more glassing in. It's purely to seal the front end of this floor. So those need to be filled with foam. Touch up there, a couple of covers like this, and then along here I need to fill in all these gaps, which I'll do, and layer a whole piece, make this one complete floor. So what do I need? Need a little bit more foam. Need to make some filler for this, for these edges. Put that on, and then fiberglass those sides in, the left and the right, because I haven't done the inside yet. Job done. So next week I won't be doing the boat. I've got a bathroom to do. It's a shower replacement, toilet and sink. It's only a small area, but it's for a really real small area. So I'm going to be doing that next week, and I'll probably film that and make it as one of my other projects. Completely different from the boat, but yeah. So rip out a shower, install a new one, shower cubicle as well, sink and toilet. So yeah. So if you come back next week thinking it's going to be boat and stuff, it's going to be unfortunately another different project, but I'm still going to carry on with the boat, don't worry.